Every semester, Gateway has a common final exam for Statistics 251. This semester, we're going to have a common final exam on MyLab Statistics. To upload the common final exam in your Stats 251 MyLab Statistics shell, select your course, then go to the MyLab Statistics Instructor Resources link. If you're using Blackboard Learn, that will be on the left-hand ribbon. If you're using Blackboard Ultra, that will be found in the drop-down menu. Once you're in MyLab Statistics Instructor Resources, go to MyLab Statistics Assignment Manager. Then create an assignment. To get the common final exam, you'll need to import/copy assignment from another course. Then go ahead and select the first option, import assignments from another course using this book. You're going to want to select the second option. Once you select the second option, you'll be able to find the course that I'm about to show you. But because it's my course, I have to go to the first option, but you'll go to the second option. Once you select that second option, from the drop-down menu, go to Stats 251, and you'll want to select the course Stat 251 Applied Statistics 4204/9602. That's 4204/9602. Then you can select Next and find the common final exam at the very bottom of the list. You can click on the common final exam, import it, and then once imported, you can manipulate the options down here and edit. And then from edit, you can choose the settings and set the final exam the way you want it set up. Thanks again for everything you do, and I'll talk to you soon.